Today I am updating these thrift store wood block pumpkins that I got at the store for I think they were like $1.99 each, and they're just a little bit outdated, and so I decided to fix them up a little bit. So I'm going to be using my JRV stencils and some DIY paint to do that. So stenciling is super easy. All you need to do is just get a little bit of paint on your brush, very little paint, and then you want to offload it. Offloading it is kind of like tapping off the excess paint onto a paper or a paper towel. Once you've done that, then you just hold your stencil securely or tape it down to the surface, and then you're just going to do an up and down tapping motion all over the stencil in order to get your painted impression through onto your project. Super easy. Does take a little bit of patience, so if you haven't done it before, I would suggest just trying it out on just a plain piece of paper first, just so you could see how much paint you need and so you could perfect it before you put it onto your project. If you've done a stencil before and it didn't turn out so great, it might have been your brush. The brush makes a big, huge difference when stenciling. So I would suggest a Jami vintage stencil brush or something that has a lot of dense bristles and a flat top to do your stenciling. This is going to make a huge difference. So once you're done with your stencil, you just simply want to lift the stencil straight up so you don't smear it off of your piece, and then just let the piece completely dry so your paint is nice and dry before you apply a top coat. And that's it. That's all you need to do to stencil. And something simple like these little pumpkins, I made like a big huge difference in the way they looked just by adding a stencil. I didn't even paint them. I just added a stencil, and then I changed out the top by adding some lace and some burlap twine. Super cute, updated from your decor from last year or something you found at the thrift store, and it's so simple and easy. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick video. If you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you need the paint and products that I sell here, you can find all of that at dancingdaisydesigns.com. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.